With the titanium spectral coloring anodizer, it is possible to reduce the gray scale value of zirconia restorations through biocompatible treatment of titanium primary structures to produce even more natural-looking restorations. The anodization of titanium frameworks, for example in a golden color, is a very simple process. For starters, remove the container from the device and extract the metal platform together with the black cathode box. Then, pour 250 ml of cold deionized water into the container and add 5 grams of anodizing powder, which is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. Stir the water for a few seconds until the powder has completely dissolved. Now put the container back into the device in the appropriate position together with the metal platform and the black cathode box, which has to be placed at the bottom. Connect the color-coded cables to the designated connections on the upper surface of the device. The red color indicates the anode, whereas the black color marks the cathode. Before beginning the anodizing process, the surface of the titanium component must be pre-treated with etching powder. Screw the titanium piece to the corresponding current conductor, which in turn has to be connected to the red marked cable. Insert the cable with the black color code into the black cathode box at the bottom of the container. Now insert the red marked cable connected to the structure into the metal platform. Make sure that the titanium component is completely plunged into the anodizing liquid. Switch on the device through the main switch and set the voltage by rotating the appropriate control. Each voltage corresponds to a different color and can be set according to the clinical case and the desired degree of gray scale reduction. Start the process by pressing the start button. The electrochemical process begins as soon as the door of the device is closed, and it lasts only 5 seconds. Afterwards, you can switch off the machine. The titanium component has now taken on the desired color. You can remove it from the metal platform and clean it accordingly. This process guarantees the biocompatibility and osseointegration of the titanium piece, since the anodization in the different colors is achieved entirely by surface oxidation.